Hey, how are you all doing? Yeah, this is me. My name is Better Immanuel. I'm an entrepreneur. My goal is to help other online entrepreneurs to actually crush their goals online by creating um, traffic, converting them to leads, and also converting them to sales. Yeah. So this video is gonna be about how the automatic builder works. So the automatic builder is being used with the networkers list um, to actually build and also capture, do all the follow up, do all the building for us as networkers members. So I want to talk briefly on how you can really use the automatic builder. So I'm going to be going through every one of it. So the automatic builder has the free membership one and the direct pay module, which is the 27, and then the direct pay and the ad revenue module, which is $47. So I'm going to talk through all of it, how it's being used, and how it can help you actually, so that you can really leverage on all the tools that are available. So in your main area, you've got your sponsor recommendation. When you click on it, it brings you down to your. I'm gonna log in again. It brings you down to your sponsor recommendations. So this is my sponsor. So it gives like a basic information about them, and then it's going to take me down to their uh, three favorite opportunities which they have. So she has the details, so that she got the incentives, she got this, and she got this, and really your team members can easily just click on them and actually see what they are about. So it's good that you want to have that. I'm going to show you where you can put this, where you can put this. So where you want to put this. So if you have your edit about me session, which is kind of you can only have access to this if you are if you're paying the $795 a month for the autoresponders. So that gives you everything. So really, this is it. It gives you everything there. It gives everything there, and you can literally just use that to leverage on that. So you put all the things you want to do, and then you put all your three informations here. So I've got mine all there as well. Got all mine there as well. So I also have like the details and the multiple funnels. So literally, if you see that, I got the same thing as my sponsor, because when she showed me the opportunities, when I saw the opportunities, I loved them. So I leverage on them. Then also, we're going to go to contacts now. Under contact, you have view your contact. This is where everybody who obtain through your link, you're going to be able to view them there, and you can either take them down to your email list if you want to. Yeah, so that is all there for you. So you see that, so it's capturing all for you. So I got a total of 12 uh, contacts there, and it's unlimited contact alert, so as many as possible can come in. So when it comes to really network. Building a team is all about numbers. How many people you're able to reach out to who are driving in straight. Then they also have the email broadcaster. That is another aspect of who needs money. You stay in touch with your prospects and members. You share new information about products and businesses you are into. You alert your contacts on special offers. Send up to 3,000 emails per month. Note, email broadcasts can be sent maximum of once a day. So you have to pay that $595 a month for it so that you can be able to send up to. Yeah. So that is that. And then we've got our autoresponder messages. So all of this is being done for you, really. All of this. They basically do all of that. They do all of that really for you. So you don't have to worry about that. All these messages is going to be sent on your behalf to your team members as they come in. So I want to add that definitely. And yeah, so I want to add that. Then I'm going to click save that so that save the changes to that. So the next bit of it is this tab. Trying to finish this up as quick as possible. And this tab, you got the advertising tips. You got the advertising tips for you to actually, this is for you to use. You got like email signature, a short test link, email signature. You got social media posts, questions you can ask, your business marketing flyers, low cost if you want to use that, classify ads in image, phone leads, all of that, then save list. So the save list, even me, I haven't done that, but this is good. This is good. Save list, you want to leverage on that, and yeah, phone list. So loads of resources to really work on here, kind of telling you there are many ways to send people your capture page, people you know, your warm market, people you don't know, your traffic leads. So all of that. So it's all about the numbers game. So you want to do that. Then we've got the lead and the traffic. So your goal is to drive targeted traffic to your capture page on weekly basis. So you want to send that to people really so that they can leverage on your tune. So they have like this like 10 free 10 free leads you can sign up for, and all the others you can look into as well. It's up to you to join them. You don't have to really. But then I'm going to show you where you can actually sign up for most of them for free. Then we've got the banner ads. So you can actually add a banner ads here. You can add a banner ads. So I haven't got one, but I need to add one. So add a banner ads here. You click on it. Click on that, and this is like your banner ads really. So you can actually take this banner ads and go and put it in a site, a free website where they're advertising and people can visit your automatic builder. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, Time is running out of me already. Time is running out. Then you click on networkers list. You got 4 steps to link your, this you've already done. Marketing website, capshop pages, all the different kind of capshop pages that we have that you can use, or you can send to people, all of it. Yeah, lots of capshop pages for you to use. So this is the one for Daria. She did very nice video to send to someone, and then that will give them a convince them, definitely. Networkers plan. So that's that one. As by the way, let's go quick. So gonna click on that. We got this getting started video. We got the networkers add and script. The script. This is really good. You want to come here. So many people answer, but I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Here, come here. Listen, look at it. Tweak it around and see how you can use it to reach out to people. Yeah? When you're calling people, what should you say? If you get questions to say. So many how to connect. So many tips for you. And then they got the solo ads and the classify ads that you can use. And you can put there. How amazing is that? So really lots of the image swipes really to send to people. Amazing for you to use. Yep. So image swipes all done for you to use. The interview list, image sample of email for phone interview list. After you've done that, the email you can send to them. So nice, amazing. So let me go as quick as possible. So I'm gonna come here. So we got our lead and traffic here. Lead and traffic. I think we've done this bit already. I said. Then capture and landing page. I think we've done that as well. So advertising tips we done. This is the ad revenue model. The ad revenue model is really great. You can join all these platforms free of charge. You can join them for free of charge. You can see I've not rejoined any of them. I need to join most of them. All of this you can become affiliates to them, and they can also give you some free leads as well. Your safe list, mailing, banner, this referral frenzy is really good. One of my colleagues said, and I need to go on it. So I'm gonna be doing all of that. All you do, you click on this link, you sign up. When you sign up, you become an affiliate, and once they give you the link, you put it there and you save it. You put it there and you save each of them. Acrylics, safe links is another good one. All of it, and you save it there. So all of that I'm gonna be doing tonight, really. But I'm just showing you how you can really leverage all of these things. You can sign up and become an affiliate to them, and when they buy any list, you're gonna be paid. That's it. You're gonna be paid. So, and the last bit of it is the tracking, advanced tracking. That if you want to track where all your people who are coming in, you can do that if you want to. But I haven't. So, but if you want to know where they are, that's it. Then we got frequent asked questions there and support as there. Then billing. So this is it. I hope this helps. You want to go through all the tabs really so that you can really make use of the site to your advantage. That is it for me. Yeah, take care. Bye.